Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really simple knotted updo. First of all, we're going to divide the top section of the hair and we're basically going to split this style into 3 ponytails. So I'd say take it from about the eyebrow level, pull it back and secure it with a small elastic band. Split the remaining hair in half and just tie each one of these into a little ponytail. Taking that top ponytail, all we're going to do is split it in half and create a simple knot. You want to secure this to the head with a couple of bobby pins. If your hair's long enough, take those remaining ends and just tie another knot and secure them to the head with more bobby pins. Once you've done, just tug and pull at the knot to make it more voluminous. Then we're simply going to do exactly the same on the second ponytail. So split it in half, create a knot, pin to the head and then repeat if you have enough ends left over. Then to make it more voluminous, pull at those sections. Taking that third ponytail, we're going to do the same again. We're going to create a small knot, but this time we're going to make sure it's nice and tight at the base of the neck so it sits directly under that previous knot. And then with the ends left over, depending on the length of your hair, you're just going to want to keep knotting these and pinning them until you run out of hair. tuck and pin any loose ends away, and then just spend a couple of minutes pulling on some of the sections of the knot so it's symmetrical. And that's it, here's the finished hairstyle. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.